trick on bitches, you can just call me the wizard. I don't play with niggas. I'ma get them done. If you pop in your pocket, losing them wrong. Baby, think it's here, the ass in the phone. Baby, they don't cheat. Baby, you put that phone. That's the vibe, baby. Tell me what you want. We outside, baby. I'm supposed to up and get you on. I'm a rich nigga. I do what I want. Fuck a bitch and fuck a
yes, sir.
all these bitches going. This shit love cash. I know you for the rich nigga. He got a Chanel bag. FDL further out, bitch. Fuck the bitch.
Okay, let's just go. Go ahead.
Pussy on me, bitch. I'm fresh from out the fed. I say fresh from out the fed, baby. Come put that pussy on me. Fuck this fuck in the strip club, ran out of one stop. 100, nigga. I can't come to shit. The whole world been waiting on me.
Swear to God, baby, vote. Yeah, talk.
Mr. Goldman, I can't just.
Man,
Outfit from South Lake Mall, they set up, made it look. Couple hoes jumped out my bed, majority waited on me. She just acting faithful to you till I get home. Trust me, homie, I'm feeling patient. I might do a demonstration on GP. I ain't shot none in like 4 years, I ain't shit the hit at 3. Don't let them first go to your head, ain't nobody slime as me. I'm the one from around the corner where they snake Martin Luther King. Aggressive, out of traffic, cause I ain't in the backseat. Where I go, it's called Trinity. Riches ain't driving me. Get mad when I look around and my niggas say, what they post my phone, what going on? I'm stuck in a cage, it drove me crazy.
Cars over here, cars over there. Cars every motherfucking well.
Boy, that made that bad.
Yes, sir.
$40 so far, bitch, $160. God damn. I got to leave with him at least a $50, right?
More than that.
That nigga made more than that.
I'm coming out, just wipe it out, then he pay all this.
That nigga made 50 off Father's Day last year.
Just Father's Day, no gas?
Just off. Now he go. I think